We're at Moments Cafe, and today we have an event called Blast from the Pasties. The origin of Blast from the Pasties is this very exciting document that we've got in the record office. It dates from 1510, and it is supposed to be the earliest written recorded recipe for a pasty.
You do is cut these bits of beef nice and small, and we use skirt for this.
Pasties. What do we know about pasties?
Yeah.
Well, we know that pasties are supposedly originally from Cornwall, and they were really vital for the miners. But we also know that there is some more recent documentation suggesting that the pasty might actually have originated in Devon, in Plymouth, and not Cornwall, which has caused a bit of a hoo-ha.
I love it. Today is a lot of fun, but this is one project, part of a bigger project called Your Recipes, Your Heritage. So I am out there collecting recipes and memories from people of Plymouth about things they used to eat, and I'm working with the Meals on Wheels service caterer to redesign some of their menus to have a heritage format. Social isolation is a big problem nationally. It's something that we're looking at the box as well, and really my job is to see how we can get our collections out to people that live on their own.
The secret for a perfect pasty is using great quality ingredients. I use only the best West Country beef, using skirt, some lovely quality locally grown swede and potatoes, onions, and when you're making the pastry as well, because it's a nice beef pasty, we use half lard, half butter, which makes it a really great beef flavour to the pasty.
My favourite pasty, I do traditional steak pasty, really, to be honest, although I am eating a bit less meat these days, but a traditional steak pasty is the only way forward. Really. It makes my tummy rumble. It does make my tummy rumble, yeah.